snows like cotton. And here's the plow. Wow, nice timing for. Oh, it's like cotton snow. I doubt they'd be putting. Oh my god! Look at this. That's slick. Yeah, they're coming too close right now. Actually, it's basically the middle of the road. Oh my god! Snow right now is like cotton. It's like weird. It's like a weird consistency of cotton. Look how far that's blowing. Snow. It's a good snowblower. It's Aaron's, I think. I have to do that driveway, and my driveway. My driveway's pretty good because I've been clearing it. But, and also sidewalks. It's gonna be a real pain in the butt. Got about 13 inches here in Rocky Hill, Connecticut. Plaza have been at it since 4 in the morning. With no rest. Cloud. Here's my driveway right now. Looks pretty good, right? I've kept up with it pretty good. Well, he didn't really come too close this time. Gets some very, very close next time, though, probably. The snow, like the consistency and visibility has just dropped. Visibility has dropped significantly, and the consistency of the snow is like cotton. Which is very weird. Rarely have this kind of snow. Yeah, only in the middle of the road is getting plowed right now. Here, let's try to find the middle of the road. Here's the middle. Yeah. You can barely see the plow anymore. That is amazing how visibility is. This is definitely gonna take a while to clean up from. Schools are canceled for today. Probably be canceled for tomorrow too. That would be the smart thing to do. Due to the fact that this is amazing right now. This is going to continue for the next 6 to 7 hours. It's gonna end, well, it's gonna taper off into lighter snow. But this heavy snow is gonna continue until 8 p.m. tonight. So we have a lot. Look at these banks, waist height for me, and the sidewalks are way back there. This side's pretty good. This side, not so much. It's insane, and these winds are gusting. We probably picked up an inch in the past half hour as this heavy band of snow moves through my location right now. Insane right now. So yeah, we're gonna go in now. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.